Hi guys, I'm Zach from Colton RV and Marine. Standing next to me today is Taylor from Brinkley. We're standing in front of the 2026 Model G 4100. Taylor, take it away.
Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I just wanted to walk you around the trailer, kind of talk about what we're doing different, and hopefully help answer some questions for you. So a lot of our features with the G, call them golden threads. They kind of ride through a lot of our other brands. So with us, we wanted to do something a little bit different. So our quality's overbuilt. There's about 5,000 parts that come on a toy hauler, and down to the screws, we're choosing to do rivets instead of screws, or this threading versus this. Every feature just kind of talked about, and how can we make it a little bit better? So if you just even look right here, rivets instead of screws, these will not break. A lot of times with screws, the backside here is sharp, it can fall off, you just get pieces pulling apart. It's just solving easy little problems that can help cause less headaches over time. All through frame, rack and pinion slides. One of the lowest warranted items on a trailer. So with here, we want to make this as residential as we can. We don't offer a full profile fifth wheel that's without a garage. So we're trying to look at this, our Model G, as our full pro residential that just happens to have a garage like your house. We don't revolve the floor plan around that, but it's just a great way to have people stay with you, extra storage. If you did have that motorcycle or side-by-side to bring with you, you've got that offering as well. So what we do in here, under-mounted storage, built in, super heavy duty that you can pack everything you need. Drop frame on the I-beam, but we don't have this massive tall storage that you have to build your own shelving in. A lot of horizontal storage. There's more pass-through storage on a Model G than any other toy hauler out there. We don't want to hide what we're doing either. So we build in these sliders, show you our speaker system, our subs, and then our ducting and our kind of our subfloor as well. So our Thermoflex, you can see in there, is 40% thicker, doesn't kink up, it won't crack or break over time, super insulated. That runs down by your tanks. Heat pads 12 volt on your tanks already, and then forced air being blown down into the subfloor too. So this is truly as four seasons as you can get. Got your LP tank storage that automatically flips over when one runs out. All hydraulic leveling, auto level on everything that we're doing on G. So in here, it's probably hard to gauge on a video, but just this space is so massive and so functional. We have your generator box right there. Everything you need for your solar. We're using Rich Solar products, RVMP flex power generators, which are so efficient. It burns LP a little bit slower, easy to service, a little bit lighter weight than some of the other brands out there too. So everything we're thinking about, again, I'm going to use that word, functionality. So up here, there's a lot of different options to work with who we want our supplier to be for our pin boxes. We offer this Gen Y, just your standard pin, and then we also offer a gooseneck too, which saves your truck bed space and helps a little bit with payload. We believe this is the best that you can get. We've not had any issues or warranty related issues with the Gen Y. They don't void warranty, go into the gooseneck like a lot of brands do, and it just works well with the frame system that we have kind of customized for us as well. We have side cameras that are just standard on the G, as well as your observation camera on the back. And these are big rigs going down the road, so just that extra security and peace of mind as you can see traffic around you is nice. This big molded front cap up here, we brace it in the back. It's all automotive grade decals, the lighting built in rather than just a LED strip kind of tacked on at the end. We keep saying automotive for what Brinkley builds, and it truly is automotive. You're not going to have to worry about this falling down or doing this or this slide cracked here. Like everything that we're using is the highest quality materials and the most longevity that we can build in. So over here we're doing the Slim Rack rather than the Schwintek. In past lives we've worked with the Schwintek brand, and this the warranty kind of headaches that we've dealt with. This Slim Rack has a lot more flexibility, a lot more movement to it. It's not going to kink up or low battery power bind up, or you have to disengage motors. Like this is just the easiest thing in the world to work with. So this is just for the bedroom slides. Like I mentioned, everything else is the rack and pinion through the frame. Under here we've got composite floors and these courtesy lights too. So when you're showing up to your campground at night and you want to set up, it's not some big beacon light to frustrate your neighbors. This is just going to be a soft glow light for you as you're hooking up your trailer. And then this is where you do all your hookups. So what's nice about this, you can run your trailer. You won't have to move from right here. So you got your auto level there to the left, which you can do from your Firefly system pad inside, from your phone, or from right here. Then over here on the right, this Nautilus system, it just never fails. It's how do you do everything? What am I needing to do? It shows you pictures of it. Brass fittings outside all the way inside. There's no plastic fittings anywhere on a Brinkley. And then we have electronic dump valves too, which if you don't want to even come outside and deal with that, you can now do it from your phone and dump your tanks just from your phone app as you're watching a movie. 65-foot water hose integrated built in. So right here, I just want to show you guys kind of a back insulation on their window. So whenever you pull a window blind down, that back side of it's going to have that kind of thermal foil built into the window. That way when you have that down, that hot air is not coming in. We test it from 0 to 100 too. So with the 3 ACs, the insulation, and just our insulation of the whole trailer, it's going to be consistent inside around 70. So I want to talk about the framing of what we pull this window out and what you see. So it's aluminum framing all the way around this window. A lot of manufacturers just have the block foam insulation in your wall, and you pull this window out and you see a thin little skirting and then the foam. That's how you get DLAN, that's how you get water leaks. This trailer goes down the road, starts shaking, you get these little gaps. With us, because we have framed aluminum windows, a Tonawanda tape, which is tapes against itself, there's no vapor, moisture can get through. And then the window skirting and then the caulking, there's no way to water fight through those 4 different levels, get into your wall and cause DLAM or any kind of water damage like that. So we're super consistent with our windows. So here I just wanted to show you guys, we have a double gas tank back here. This front one ties into your generator, and then this back one, you could actually put diesel, whatever kind of gas you want for what you're towing with too, or what your toy is in the back in the garage. So try to get that flexibility there. And then next to the gas tanks, we have an air compressor built in for you here too. Off-door side, so you're not parking your four-wheeler or whatever you're filling up on your campsite. So it just gives you a little bit more flexibility with your space too. So as you can see from back here, we have your backup, your observation camera, just standard. We'll go inside too, but we have a security camera built in now in that back garage section. And I already showed you the side cameras too. So wherever we can put a camera just to make you guys more comfortable, that's where we're installing them. This is where obviously your door comes down. You get your awning coming over your back space here of your patio. So we just want to make it, keep saying residential, make this as comfortable for you guys as you're out camping to feel like your house. This is something here, Key Block. We don't really talk about it that much, but it's built into Z and G. These little features, it's an aftermarket product. You can hit this QR code and it goes to the Key Block website. You can get things like hammock hookups, outside lights, flag holders, lanterns, I mean, a bunch of random things that you can build in, and that's just a housing system that goes right here. So it's not talked about enough, but it's a great feature to just make your trailer a little more personalized to you after you get it.
All right, guys, so with Taylor keeps on mentioning he wants everyone to feel at home when they're in the Brinkley. You get a real residential feel on the inside as well with the solid surface countertops. And then storage is always a must when you're out there camping. So there's some storage for your silverware. And then there's another one over here for your knives. All dovetail cabinetry throughout. And then also you have residential sized appliances. When you're out there, it's going to feel like you're at home instead of with like a little 2-burner or something like that. You have the 4-burner. And then a nice big oven as well.
Hey guys, I also want to show you this table design that we have. So everything at Brinkley, it's always how can we be a little bit more functional? How can we be a little different? Rather than just what the status quo is or how we've been doing it forever, let's try something different. So we designed our own tables in each of our brands. This, when you're just driving down the road, comes out to about right here, but it pulls all the way out and extends this far. So if you wanted to have 4 adults sitting comfortably across from each other, you can play some cards. If it's just you and your partner, this slides all the way over to the right. So then you can get bar top seating and look out at your campsite. It's truly so functional. It goes all the way to the left and extends out if you just wanted to have like a little bar top as you're hosting a party, or it just tucks away and you can sit on your couch and watch TV too. So very versatile. This is just a little leaf that flips up, slides in. All right, so this is our garage. And like I said out front, we're trying to make our toy hauler not really a toy hauler. This happens to be a a fifth wheel that has a garage in it. So you could use this as a place to put your four-wheeler, or if you wanted to make this a room for your grandparents staying or just extra storage space, you can have your table right here, and you can sit at these chairs and have this lock up top. Or you can even option 2 queen beds if you wanted to put kids back here and just make this into a bedroom. It's insulated just like the rest of our coach. Very residential. We have a security camera built in right here for you. So if it's kids or if it's your side-by-side and you're going away for a couple of days or just for an afternoon hike, you can keep an eye on it as you're outside. And then we also try to keep these as versatile as we can. So this 4100 that we're in is in the family, we call it, of the 4170. So we like to do this with our back walls back here. So if you have a side-by-side and it's just, you need that little bit extra room to put the wheel, this breaks down and stores right here against the wall. So you get all this extra space back here. You get your bathroom if you need it, you get your sink, whatever, your vanity. If you want to have that back here and just have it like a fixed bathroom, the wall comes over, it locks in for travel, and now you got a bathroom. Whereas now that in that family, that 4170, we also offer this floor plan with a fixed full bathroom back here. You get your washer dryer hookups in the back. You can also, we'll walk up there, but to the bedroom you can as well. And again, just versatility, functionality, whatever you guys are saying you need, we try to incorporate that into the trailer. So in the bedrooms here, I have a king mattress, bamboo mattress too, which is what you get in a box for your house. This is just like ordering from your house, where it comes in the cardboard, you cut it open and you just have your big bed. So this is very residential. You get your storage down here underneath with the struts, and then some drawers too for just folded clothes. Again, everything's functionality and storage. So all these options for storage here. Little security spot here for some jewelry. And then this is extra storage, or you could put the stackable washer dryer in there too. We offer louvered doors if you wanted to keep these closed to let it breathe a little bit, but a lot of functional space. Big front closet here. You have your lit hanging bar up top, your vacuum prep on the side where you can screw in for your vacuum, your cordless vacuum. And one thing I want to point out on the floor, throughout the whole coach, we just don't have heat vents in the floor. Anytime you cut in, you're making yourself susceptible to soft spots. Floor integrity is really important. So whenever we can keep this as seamless as possible, again, it's just protecting your investment, making this coach have more longevity for you.
Thank you, Taylor, for stopping by today. Any questions on this model or any other Brinkley models, please feel free to give me a call at 716-694-0188, extension 406.